Today we're showing you my Rockport collection. Rockport was started in 1971. It's a US-based company. They've been making shoes for all this time. This is my first pair. Wow, bilis ang pacing. Rockport used to be owned by Adidas. So you can see Adiprene technology. As you can see, I wore this in 2016. It's still alive. It's that sturdy. Wow, I'm so impressed with the quality, the craftsmanship. So these are my new pairs. This is suede driving shoes, blue suede. My blue suede shoes. I haven't had the chance to wear them yet, but I'm gonna wear them soon with trousers or shorts. Look at that blue leather detail and that orange sole. Pretty nice. Comparing it with my old Rockports. Look at the advancement in design. These are also my newly arrived pair. Total motion gives you total comfort when you're walking on the street. You can see the Rockport insignia as well. I love the color blue, as you can see. Loving this design. I've worn this with slacks. Very comfortable. I used it also to drive. Okay, and this is the new pair I got recently, fresh off the boat. As they say, it's their foray into the activewear market. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so Rockport actually used to be owned also. The most recent owner was New Balance. So you can see it has similarities to the New Balance 574, the older models, very retro, but I love that red detail. It looks like a lightning. So will this make me run faster? We will see. They also incorporate a technology that actually removes odor in your feet. So that's very common with us who use the shoes often. When our feet sweat, they emit an odor. So look at that. Look at that sole. Very, very sturdy. Can't wait to wear this with shorts and with slacks. So congratulations Rockport on your new design. So I have 4 Rockport shoes and I'm a very happy camper. You will see me in your stores again soon. Look at that. That's my knife. The knife I use to unbox everything. Congratulations Rockport. Yeah, from the oldest pair to the newest pair.